Hello everyone. So we have already installed Vivado for writing. We could use Vim, but VS Code is now widely used, so we can move with VS Code. It is easier to code in this one. Let's go with VS Code. Download way for Windows. It has downloaded, so we can save it here. Once download is done, we can ask to okay. I agree. Next, whatever options like add open with code action files, add open with code. Yes, this one is important. These two keep it enabled. Okay, create desktop icon is also fine. Next, install. Yeah, so now we will launch VS Code. Finish. I have already installed, so it is giving me direct answers. Okay, we will not go into this one. What I will do is, so what you can do is we have to sign in. It will ask for signing. So that's all. We don't have to worry about anything. That should be fine. Okay. Thank you very much.